What's up, guys? So I went over to both Skyline and Gold Star Chili, which are two of the most popular chili fast food spots in Cincinnati, Ohio. Both of them looked all right. The Skyline looked more like a casual dining restaurant, and then the Gold Star was like more of like a fast food thing inside the food court at the mall. If I had to judge which one looked more appealing and better quality, I'd have to say Skyline looked better. But let's do a taste test. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna blindfold myself, and then I'm gonna have my dad mix up the plates so I'm not sure which one's which. And then I'll take a bite of each and I'll tell you which one I think tastes better, and I'll give you some sort of dank rank on it. Gotta get the official blindfold on. Go ahead and mix them up. Let me know when they're mixed.
They're mixed.
The one on the right first.
Yep.
Right here?
Yep.
Okay. All right, let's try it out. Pretty good. Nice and cheesy. A little greasy. Hot dog tastes a little bit. Not like a quality hot dog. All right, let's try this one. This hot dog has a little more snap to it. Let's try one more bite. Okay. This one's slightly better, and I'm gonna give this one a 7.8. This one is the little bit inferior. I'm gonna bring it in at a 6.9. So let's do the reveal, see which one was which. This is the Skyline one. Yeah, the Skyline one's better. It's got a little more flavor to the chili, and the hot dog seems a little higher quality. So that's it. In case you guys were wondering which one's better, Skyline is better than Gold Star. I'm gonna go ahead and I got the spaghettis as well. So my grandma just tried the spaghettis. She said Skyline is slightly better, but that neither one is fit for human consumption. I'm gonna try both. I've got Skyline, Gold Star. No blind test.
This is known as a three-way, right?
This is known as a three-way.
No blind test, you don't have to, because it'll make you blind.
It'll make me blind when I try
blind.
it. Yeah. All right, here we go. So this is Gold Star.
You want some crackers or not?
No crackers.
They need to put more chili on it.
Really?
More juice.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, is it too dry?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I think I like the coneys better.
If this wasn't a contest between coneys.
That's true, but if I had to order one thing at either of these places, I would order the coney.
What is the five-way, Mom? What does that have? Onions and one other
Yeah, and the
thing?
last thing is a map of the way out.
Oh yeah, Skyline. Skyline's easily better in terms of spaghettis. So, spaghetti and coney, you gotta go Skyline.
What was Gold Star? Not very good, to be honest with you. Probably give it a 4.
4.0.
I'll try the Skyline now, if you'd like. Take on it. I got a 4. Okay.
This doesn't look very appetizing. That flat brown thing.
Try to eat. I like the taste of the Skyline better.
Yeah.
It seems like Skyline's the big winner for today.
Skyline is the big winner.
Give that a 5.0.
Yeah. I forgot to dank rank the Gold Star Skyline spaghettis. I'll give the spaghetti from Gold Star 4.8. I'll give the spaghetti from Skyline 5.6. So
Yeah,
definitely get the coneys if you're gonna go, and then if you want the better coney, I would say go to Skyline.